I'll be doing a project for my mom's friend, and this is not commission. This is a favor by my mom because her friend is going back to San Diego, and this is her parting gift. They are friends for almost 40 years. Tomorrow morning at about 5:30 a.m. my mom will go to the airport to send her. I already did the sketching. I'm gonna start the time lapse. Here we go. Big mistake. I forgot to record on my GoPro. Anyway, we just do the inking. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more.